Welcome back, viewers. The stage is set for the dance of democracy in Bihar. As Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, they descended on the battleground. The pictures on your screen show how both leaders reached out to the people of the state. While Prime Minister Modi appealed to urban voters with his mega roadshow in Patna, it was the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, who was seen interacting with the fishermen community and even swimming with his ally, that is the VIP party chief, Mukesh Sahni in Begusarai. The Prime Minister held two mega rallies in Bihar on Sunday, where he targeted the RJD and the Congress party. The Prime Minister once again warned the state of Jungle Raj if there was any change of power of sorts, and claimed that RJD leaders graduated from school of Jungle Raj. Further, he claimed that the Congress actually wants to defeat the RJD themselves and predicts that both the parties will end up fighting against each other after the elections. He also says that the fight has already begun as the RJD threatened the Congress party before allegedly stealing the Chief Minister's post from this Congress. Here's what the Prime Minister had to say when he attacked the Mahagathbandhan yesterday.
आरजेडी कांग्रेस वालों से बहुत सावधान रहना है। ये वो लोग हैं जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ जंगल राज की पाठशाला में पढ़ करके ही निकले हैं, जिनकी ट्रेनिंग ही जंगल राज की रही है। वो बिहार के उद्योगों को बर्बाद करने के अलावा कुछ नहीं कर सकते। एक अंदर की बात बता रहा हूं, कांग्रेस कभी नहीं चाहती थी कि सीएम पद पर आरजेडी के नेता का नाम तय हो, लेकिन आरजेडी ने भी मौका छोड़ा नहीं। आरजेडी ने कांग्रेस की कनपट्टी पर कट्टा रखकर सीएम पद चोरी कर लिया। और तो खबर ये है कि हर बूथ पर कांग्रेस के लोगों ने आरजेडी को हराने की ठान ली है। आप देखिएगा 11 तारीख को दूसरे चरण का मतदान खत्म होते ही माथा फोड़ना शुरू कर देंगे।
And on one hand, you had the Prime Minister leading the NDA campaign in Bihar, while on the other, it was Home Minister Amit Shah who was also in the state. He was also taking on the Mahagathbandhan. Amit Shah warned the people of Bihar that if the RJD comes back to power, the regime will only be popular for kidnappings, murders and crimes, which will be dominating headlines, viewers.
अगर फिर से लालू के बेटे सीएम बनते हैं तो बिहार में 3 नए मंत्रालय खुलेंगे। एक मंत्री बनेगा अपहरण का इंडस्ट्री चलाने वाला मंत्री, दूसरा बनेगा रंगदारी चलाने वाला मंत्री और तीसरा बनेगा अपहरण और खून को बढ़ावा देने वाला मंत्री।
And elsewhere, you had Rahul Gandhi campaigning in Bihar as well after a long break following his voter Adhikar Yatra. While interacting with the voters, Rahul Gandhi once again launched a personal attack on the Prime Minister. He says that the people of Bihar can get anything out of the Prime Minister as he is desperate for votes. If needed, the Prime Minister will even dance or perform yoga for votes. That is a charge which he had leveled earlier as well, which had led to a big political slugfest. BJP had called it deeply personal and disrespectful attacks. Listen into what Rahul Gandhi said this time around.
चुनाव के दिन तक जो भी आप कहते हो कर देंगे, और चुनाव के बाद नरेंद्र मोदी ना बिहार आएंगे ना आपकी बात सुनेंगे चले जाएंगे। मैं तो कहता हूं अगली बार जो भी करवाना करवा लो। जैसे मीटिंग में आते हैं वो आप भीड़ से कहना नरेंद्र मोदी जी ये सीट हम आपको जिता देंगे, जरा स्टेज पे डांस कर लो, और नरेंद्र मोदी डांस कर देंगे। या फिर कहना उनसे नरेंद्र मोदी जी हम आपको चुनाव जितवा देंगे, आप 2-3 योगा के आसन कर दो स्टेज पे, योगा के आसन कर देंगे।
All right. Yesterday we saw a fierce war of words. Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, obviously the Home Minister, Amit Shah. And today also there are top leaders, top brass of the Congress Party, Amit Shah of the BJP, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra of the Congress Party also, I believe, has multiple events lined up. It's really a clash of titans there in the Battle of Bihar. We'll keep an eye on it, viewers.